This is trade number 6 of the $1,000 option trading challenge. Today's trade was Apple vertical. What we did was we sold the $400 call and we bought the 405 call. So we're gonna make about $55 off this trade. And if it goes against us, the worst is we could lose $444. So the reason why we took this trade was Apple hit around $400, I think it was yesterday or so. I'll bring up the chart. And it came down on high volume today, and it basically came down about 15 bucks or whatnot. So I'm making the bet or the trade that Apple is not going to make a new high by next week. I just don't think it's going to. So as long as we could stay below 400 by next Friday, we'll make the $55 or actually $56 profit. Once again, we did close out our shop trade from last week. We made around $90, I think like $98 off that trade. So hopefully the Apple trade goes well for us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click right here. You'll be alerted to all of our new trades.